A high-profile human rights lawyer has gone on trial in China. Yulan and her husband Ji-Cheen are accused of inciting a disturbance. They were detained in April along with hundreds of other activists. Melissa Chan has more from Beijing.
This is the third such trial during the holiday season, prompting a lot of human rights observers to say that it is fast becoming a Chinese Christmas tradition to have sentences and jailings during this time period. They posit that it's because the West is indeed not looking at the news cycle as much during this period. Now, the last two sentences have been quite harsh. One person sentenced to 10 years in prison and another sentenced to 9 years in prison for the crime of subversion. Now, in the case of Yulan and her husband, the couple has been representing farmers who've had their land seized from them by corrupt officials. This is something that has been quite high profile in the country. There's been a lot of focus and discussion about this over the last few months. And in fact, the government has come out to say that the rights of farmers ought to be protected and that there ought to be investigations. But the message from the courts this morning, certainly something quite the opposite.